The upcoming attendance of the Turkish Foreign Minister Hakan Fidan at the Arab League ministerial meeting in the Cairo makes a significant development diplomatic event as the first time in 13 years Turkey will participate in such meeting. Here is analysis of this situation. Diplomatic relations. The participation of Turkey in the Arab League meeting is a reflection of normalization of diplomatic relationship between the Turkey and the several Arab countries. This move legally significant and indicates a shift towards more cooperation. Regional diplomacy, which is governed by international law and bilateral agreements. The international law, the Turkey engagement with the Arab League is also a matter of international law, particularly in terms of treaties and the agreements. The governance interstate relations, the participation signs the Turkey's commitments to enhancing to international norms and fostering regional stability. Regional dynamics. Turkey's re-engagement with the Arab League comes at the time of significant regional tension, particularly concerning the Gaza conflict. Turkey has been a voice on Israel and Palestine issue. Its participation in the Arab League meeting underscored its desire to play a more active role in the regional politics. Strategic interest. By attending the Arab League meeting, the Turkey aims to strengthen its ties with the key Arab states such as Egypt, UAE, and Saudi Arabia. This move is a part of the broader strategy to enhance economical and political cooperation, which includes negotiation for a free trade deal with the Gulf Cooperation Council by the end of the year. Political implications. The invitation to Turkey reflects a growing interest in its regional role and improving ties with the Arab League members. This could lead to more collaborative efforts to address regional issues such as Gaza conflict and promote stability and the development in the Middle East. The attendance of the foreign minister at the Arab League ministerial meeting is a significant step towards amending and strengthening Turkish relations with the Arab countries. Its significance to adhere international diplomatic norms, while politically it is highlighted Turkey's strategic interest in playing more prominent role in the regional affairs.